First, we need to propagate the seedlings by soaking the cucumber seeds in 3 parts cold water and 1 part boiling water for 2 hours before planting in pots. To plant seeds, we use nursery pots suitable for the number of plants we want to plant. After putting the seeds in the pots, I will use B1 mixed with water and water the nursery pots evenly and leave them in a cool place. After 1 week of incubation, the seeds have sprouted. Now I can plant them. Today I will use 2 discarded containers and 2 plastic bottles. In the box, I will plant 2 plants on both sides, and in the middle is the automatic green fertilizer. In the box, we need to punch drainage holes to prevent the plants from being waterlogged. We punch holes in the compost plastic bottle to release nutrients after decomposition, and cut off the bottom to get the compost. To provide extra nutrients and loosen the soil, I will use chopped leaves and place them in the center of the planter. We started preparing the soil for planting. I used vermicompost mixed with the soil for planting. The vermicompost will provide immediate nutrition for the growing seedlings. I will spread green manure, which is leaves in the middle of the planter box to help loosen the soil. Watermelons are vines and grow very quickly. I would use bamboo stakes to build a trellis from the start and place them in a permanent location. It's great with a sturdy trellis like this. The plants can withstand large watermelons. And now we start planting. It is great that when we plant trees we use green manure, because we can take advantage of kitchen waste green manure, cheap price, and rich in nutrients. After planting, we just need to put the green manure in the container. The manure will decompose and provide nutrients for the trees. When the plant roots, we will add soil to help the plant develop roots and metabolize well. My choice is compost from kitchen waste. Put it in a bottle and we just water the plants. I use vitamin B1 mixed with water to water the plants. After 25 days of planting, the plant has grown tall and flowered. I will use vermicompost to fertilize the plant and add green organic fertilizer to the pot. At this stage, the plant needs a lot of nutrients, both to develop the stem, flowers, and fruit. Therefore, we need to increase the nutrition for the plant, and I do not forget to water the plant. There are many ways to prevent pests and repel insects. Today, I used 1 clove of garlic mixed with water and sprayed evenly on the plants. The tree has flowered and is about to bear fruit. In addition to fertilizing and watering, I use 1 turmeric branch mixed with water and spray evenly on the tree. Turmeric can prevent mold on plants. It also stimulates flowering, fruiting larger and more effectively. If you want the tree to produce many large and beautiful fruits, you should pollinate female flowers with male flowers. This method is very effective. It's amazing, after 2 months I have the results of big, ripe melons. Now I can enjoy playing with my family. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.